Hello, my little cheese and crackers. How are you guys? All right. Last time we left off, we were talking about reciprocals with fractions, and I gave you these 7 problems to try on your own. So hopefully you did that and you have them out and you're ready. You've got your notes book ready. You're so excited to take notes. I know you are. Okay, really quickly, I'm going to go through the answers on these, and hopefully this should give you a good check on whether you understand reciprocals or not. Okay, so 3/5, your reciprocal should be 5/3. 9/5, your reciprocal should be 5/9. 2, your reciprocal should be 1/2, because remember 2 is really over a 1. 3/4, you get 4/3. 5, you get 1/5. 7/2, you get 2/7. And 4/9, you get 9/4. All right, hopefully you found that easy. Now we're going to move on to really working with dividing fractions. And this part I kind of think is fun. Hopefully you will too. So fresh new page in your notes book. We're still dividing fractions. And today I'm going to teach you how to use KCF. Not KFC, we ain't eating chicken here, okay? Even though I'd probably rather be eating chicken than doing fractions. But anyway, we're doing fractions today. Okay, so I am going to teach you KCF. Let me move my mouse out of my way so I can see my notes. First, we're going to use example number 1. We're going to find 1/6 divided by 2/3. Okay, so to divide by a fraction using, oops, sorry, that's ill. Using its reciprocal we use KCF. Okay, so what is KCF? I said it like 10 times already, but I haven't said what it is, right? Okay, KCF. KCF is keep, change, flip. And if you had a really good 5th grade math teacher, she might have showed you a little bit of this, possibly. But if not, don't worry, it's pretty easy to learn, okay? So here's the deal. Let's look at our original problem again. 1/6 divided by 2/3. Here is what keep, change, flip means. We're going to keep the first fraction. We're going to change the sign to multiply. Okay? And then we're going to flip the second fraction. We're going to flip it to its reciprocal. That's why we learned reciprocals yesterday. Okay, so we rewrite it. We don't try and do it in our head. We rewrite it. Keep 1/6. Change the division to multiply. Flip the 2/3 will become 3/2. Now, I simply follow my rules for multiplying, okay? So, remember, simplify before you multiply. It makes it easier. I see the 6 and the 3. I can divide 3 into both numbers. If I divide 3 into 3, I get 1. If I divide 3 into 6, I get 2. Now I simply multiply straight across. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Easy, right? I know. So a lot of people think that dividing fractions is kind of hard, but it's really not, because all you have to do is keep, change, flip. Okay? So let's look at it with another example. 2. Example 2. Whole numbers. 15 divided by 3/4. Okay, remember, keep, change, flip. So, keep the 15, but remember I have to make it a fraction. So 15/1. Change to multiply and flip the 3/4 to its reciprocal. I like that word, use that word. When you say flip, you tell me flip it to its reciprocal. 4/3. Now once again, we're going to simplify before we multiply, okay? Simplify before you multiply. 3 goes into 15, right? So you can change this to a 1. And 3 goes into 15 5 times. Now I simply multiply straight across. 5 times 4, 20. 1 times 1 equals 1. Or 20 is my answer. Okay, notice that when I cross things out, I only do one strike through. I try not to make a mess out of it so that in case I have to go back and check my work, I can still see my original numbers that I had down there, okay? Okay, I know this was so hard, but now I'm going to give you guys some to try on your own. Okay, so number 1, remember you're using keep, change, flip for every single one of them. 2/7 divided by 1/3. Number 2, 1/2 divided by 1/8. Number 3, 3/8 divided by 1/4. Excuse me. Whoops, I gotta move up a little. Sorry. Number 4, 1/2 divided by 3. Number 5, 2/3 divided by 10. And number 6, 2/5 divided by 3/10. Alrighty guys, you are going to work on these. Pause the video. Make sure you copy everything down, work on these, and we will go over these at the beginning of our next lesson. You also have a dividing fractions assignment that you have to do on your own. All right?